Today's the day that I've got Bluetti coming to set up my new battery backup system. It's an EP2000 three-phase system, a whole house system, and I'm hoping to get off the grid with this. The system is a modular system. It comes in all one stack with 3 batteries is what I have, which is a 22 kilowatt system. The three batteries, which are B700s, they're around 7 kilowatts each. And then above that in the stack is the HP800, which is the smart battery system. And then above that is the actual inverter. So it looks really neat. And the inverter is a 20 kilowatt inverter, so it's very powerful. You never have any problem with limiting devices you can have on at any one time. It seems to really tick all the boxes. It's the best value I could find and the best looking setup too.
This design now is all launched the new models EP2000 is a three-phase system.
And you can either use in your home consumption or maybe let to supply to the grid later on.
Currently we've got 11.9 or 12.8 kilowatts of solar. You're consuming 1.8 at the moment, remaining is going straight into the battery. So once the battery is full, your excess PV production will go into the grid.
I will choose Bluetti. This looks so nice, so nice. There's no wire, they hide everything inside in this panel. Nicer than Tesla wall and the LG cam.
The install went really well. The guys were very professional. Will I be able to get through the night once the sun goes down and power all the appliances in the house and then wake up in the morning and have not jumped over the grid but just still have battery backup left?
They look good, they're nice. It's good how everything's built into the one stack as well.
Unbelievable. It is better than I expected. That 22 kilowatts of battery backup is getting us through the night, no problem. No need for the grid at all. After a night we have anywhere from 20% of the battery left to sometimes 80%. By the morning, the sun coming up at about 6:15, we start to get feed in from 13.2 kilowatt panels. And it's getting close to 100% by 9:30. So there's nothing that we power during the day that comes close to being too big a draw. On top of that, on a sunny day at least, we're putting anywhere from 30 to 50 kilowatts back into the grid. With that 30 to 50 kilowatts, we're well and truly ahead of what Origin charges on their bills. So in fact, we have no bill. We will have no bill. Previous to having this installed, our bill was around $800 and that amounted to around $3,000, $3,200 a year. So with no bill going forward, our investment of around $11,000, $12,000, we should have that paid back in 3 to 4 years. So I'm really happy with that.